Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone food Kuga C Max 2011 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface, and it comes with this dash kit. This dash kit is very big. Okay. And this top of dash kit, I will show it later. Okay. You can check this front UI interface. This volume, back, home. You can choose logo, choose a time. You can adjust any color in this button. Okay, choose logo. Okay, OS are here. It's built-in APK installer. This Z-Link app, you can install it. Okay, it's built-in Play Store and Google Map. YouTube. Okay, let me check the settings. It's PX6 chip and Android 10 system. Okay. Car settings, personal settings. This LED settings, you can change this button color with green, it's blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Back. It's built-in Wi-Fi, connected Wi-Fi, you can check. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com, belse.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This tests last dial screw. Okay. This Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. You can search the device and connect. Please put 40. Let me try it again. Four zero 1 2 3 4. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay. The head unit comes with two USB cables. Connect one of USB. You can play video. You can play music. This DSP amplifier. This sub control. Sound fields, EQ. Balance. Okay. And you can play video. Video is disabled for your safety. Please set it in the settings. Find the settings, car settings, driver settings, turn on watching video. Full screen. It's 4K video. Okay. This Z-Link app for wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. And you can download the applications from Play Store. You can visit our website belsee.com, blse.com, to contact to us by email. Okay. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.